kabarangay, kapiling nyo si Papa Bear.
Papa Kiko.
Ayos, good. At sa mga nais tumawag, makakapiling natin kayo. Napipiling, makakapiling namin kayo. Tawag na 924-3093, 927-8862 yan.
Alright, pwede i-text si Papa Kiko, si Papa Bear, at si Papa Jeffrey. Nandito rin ngayon, lagyan ng pong radio, lagyan ng space, Great Awas FM space, your message. I-send sa 350 sa Smart and Talk and Text 2311 sa Globe, PM, and subscribers.
Before we continue, bago tayo magpatuloy, gusto ko lang iparinig ito ulit kay Jeffrey. Kasi you're here na, nakikita mo na kaming live. Pakinggan mo to, Jeffrey. Jeffrey, are you with me?
Yeah, I'm here with you.
Pakinggan mo to, napakaganda. Alam mo kung bakit namin ginawa to? Kasi idol ka namin.
Yeah. Hello?
Nice to be back, Papa Kiko.
Oh my! I miss you, Jeffrey. Is that you, Jeffrey?
Yeah, but you cut my call.
Why?
I called earlier, but your many conversation.
We cut your call?
Yeah.
I will never cut your call.
I feel hurt.
Oh, you're so sensitive. Don't be like that
I
in
like
life.
your show because you are the #1 top-rated talk show host in Mega
That's
Manila.
nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, Jeffrey, you're here now. Pwede ka pa mag-advise?
Yeah, it is okay to you.
Okay,
Yeah,
kayo
of
na
course.
nag-advise eh.
If you allow me.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay.
You're Jeffrey.
Okay, may caller tayo sa line. Hello? Hi? Hello?
No one does it better than Jeffrey.
Okay. Hello? Hello?
So,
Okay, sino sila?
hello po, Papa Kiko.
Hi, sino sila?
Johnny po.
Ha?
Johnny po na pa.
Johnny?
Yes.
Sige, talk to Papa. Johnny, ano bang problema sa buhay?
Hindi lang po ako ng coaching advice.
Sige. Sige.
With girlfriend ko po.
Pakilakasan ng boses, ano?
Louder your voice.
Louder your voice. Jeffrey, pakipagalitan nga ito.
My eardrum not here.
No.
I'm joking.
Kaya ng tega mo. No, I hear already.
Sige, go ahead.
Hindi po ako ng konting advice.
Sige.
Hindi po nagkakaproblema po.
Ako, mahirap talaga, oh.
Hello?
Sige, tawag ka na lang mamaya. Medyo napuputol ka, no? Sagad na ang channel ko dito, eh.
Alright, Jeffrey Samber is asking kung ano daw ang translation sa English ng promise. Oo man, mabaog man.
Promise?
Mabaog man.
Mabaog man.
Yeah.
Okay, sige. Challenge yan sa'yo.
Oh, very deep.
That's you say infertile.
Infertility. Infertility. Promise, I'm not infertility.
Alright. Nice one. Nice. Okay. Hello, mga papa. Hindi ko na-off yung mic ko na naman. Sorry.
Jeffrey, I have a problem.
Basahin ko lang to, Papa.
Sure.
Hello, mga Papa and Jeffrey. Since Talk to Papa is now on English episode, can you nga pala, nabasa mo na kanina.
Alright, pinagtitingnan na ako ng mga clients ko, natawa ako mag-isa habang nagpa-update ng software. Hi kay Jeffrey. Thank you daw sa'yo dahil napangiti mo siya. May tumatawag kanina, gusto raw makausap si Jeffrey, okay. Pero balikan muna natin yung mga problema dito ng mga kabarangay natin. Si Papa Jeffrey mag-advise. Jeffrey, I just want to ask Jeffrey, Papa Kiko and Papa Bear, especially Papa Jeffrey,
Okay.
what is his views or opinions regarding the upcoming computerized election?
Okay.
Jeffrey.
But it's about politics.
Yeah, it's like about my bilog,
Yeah, Hugis egg.
Hugis egg, okay. So, what's your opinion about the upcoming computerized election?
No, they need to be prepared.
Yes.
Because this is the first time that we use automated, meaning computerized technology. 2010, that's why to all of the listeners, especially in television, you need to watch, like I Belong.
Can you sing that song?
I can sing the song?
You can sing the song.
No, I'm not.
My bulldog.
I'm not memorized.
You're not
you're not
memorized.
memorized.
Very deep, that is Tagalog.
That's Tagalog.
Okay, be prepared. Be prepared. Okay, congratulations, Jeffrey, you're there sa Talk to Papa.
You're welcome.
Kaya alam po, may tanong ako sa mga nakikinig. Ano ang gagawin ko? Gusto na makipag-break ng boyfriend ko sa akin. Buntis ako sa kanya. From Sheila of Malabon.
That is the sign that your boyfriend is irresponsible. Tarantuda yan. Tarantuda. Yeah.
Iiwan ka, buntis, ano?
Oh, yeah.
So, anong dapat niyang gawin?
The girl do.
Yeah, the girl do.
Yeah, they do.
What the girl do?
That's why.
That is do is to be responsible to his or her future child.
Okay.
Because we do not think in the future. Malay natin, she is the president in the next generation.
Next generation.
Yeah. And to that guy that's irresponsible, Paul, thank you, Rambo ka!
That's right.
Alright,
Okay,
Papa Papa Bear, Jeffrey, kakasal na po ako next month. Ano po ba magandang songs para sa wedding namin?
Oh,
Naintindihan mo ba yan?
wedding song.
Jeffrey, naintindihan mo?
Yeah,
You want me to translate it first? Or
Papa Bear, this is the best translator. Yung Tagalog in Papa Bear is
And I will translate in English.
Ah,
So, what's the question?
Ano daw ang pinakamagandang wedding songs
Okay.
para sa kanilang upcoming wedding next month? Sabi ng isang babae.
So-
ang tanong ko dito, seryoso, kakantahin ba or papakinggan lang?
Live.
Kung kakantahin nyo lang live, mamili kayo ng bagay sa boses nyo. Marami namang songs dyan. Ngayon, kung papapakinggan lang, marami. Di ba? Marami mga wedding songs dyan. Mag-Carpenters ka lang.
Top of the world.
Huwag naman yun. We've only just begun. Ito? Yeah, di ba?
For me,
White
the
Days
best
and
song.
Promises.
the best song in wedding.
What?
As what I heard always,
Yes.
all my life.
Life
By
by-
KCI and Jojo.
I and Jojo. Oh, can you give us a sample of a KCI and
At least have
Jojo?
2 lines.
Oh, I cannot sing.
I will never find another love like that.
Just like that. I'm not memorize the lyrics, but I familiarize the song.
You are familiar with the song.
I thought all my life
Chicago. You know Chicago?
stars are brightly shining. You try, seryoso, try mo ang Kenny Latimore For You. The Last Time ni Eric Binay, yan, maganda yan.
If you want local,
Ngayon
artist,
at kailanman.
nandyan si Martin Rivera, pili ko ng mga songs
marami
niya,
yung mga-
Regine Velasquez, matindi din yun. On the Wings of Love,
Mm.
I suggest.
Flying of Heart.
O kaya,
Yeah.
Silver Toes, yan.
Okay, curious lang po ako. DJ ba si Jeffrey? Thanks, we're bagay. If I don't have a date in Valentine's Day, can you please ask him to be my date?
Ayan na.
Papaplay lang po ako ng song, I'm Yours. By the way, for your first question, if Jeffrey is a former DJ, yes, DJ po siya ng RXT, Max FM. Alright?
The janitor. The janitor. So may date ka na ba ngayong Valentine?
No, my date is she listen right now, but
She listen right.
but the problem is what? February 14 is a Chinese New Year. Meaning,
can be out.
I come back day off in February 28.
You come back there.
Winner ka talaga!
So you come back there, ba?
You come back there.
They influence me. I'm sorry for my English, It's one of the listeners.
Ganon kami ka-free, ganon kami ka-open sa lahat, ano? May caller tayo sa line. Hi.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, magandang umaga. Anong pangalan?
Umaga?
Yes.
Jane.
What's your name?
Jane, Papa Bear.
Jane.
Yes.
Okay, Jane, talk to Papa na. Makikinig si Papa Bear, Papa Kiko.
Gusto ko lang iyan yung problem nung sister ko.
Sige.
Kasi meron siyang karelasyon na lesbian ngayon.
Mm-hmm.
Parang hulog na yung loob niya doon. And since may problema siya may asawa na kasi siya.
Mhm.
Nagkalabuan sila ng asawa niya.
May asawa na siya and at the same time,
Naghiwalay sila.
naghiwalay. Tsaka nagkaroon ng lesbian, boyfriend.
Oo, ngayon.
Okay.
Concern naman ako sa kanya dahil sa kapatid ko.
Mhm.
Pero mas matanda siya sa akin.
Mhm.
Kaya lang hindi ko siya mapagsabihan kasi syempre, di ba, since mas matanda nga siya sa akin, parang ilang ako na
Pagsabihan siya na hindi...
kasi baka hindi naman siya makinig sa akin.
Okay,
dahil
pero na-try mo na ba na pagsabihan siya na ate, mas maganda lalaki ang boyfriend mo? Ganun ba?
hindi ko pa na-try pero yun nga, kaya nga gusto tumawag ako sa inyo kasi gusto ko humingi ng advice regarding doon.
Jenny?
Yes,
Ah,
okay ko.
Jane?
Yes?
Masaya ba yung ate mo? Masaya siya ngayon?
Kaya siya ngayon, mas iba yung niya ngayon kaysa nun sa nung magkasama sila nung asawa niya.
So masaya siya ngayon?
Parang mas masaya siya ngayon doon.
Kahit masaya siya, hindi mo matatanggap.